2 new songs, 2 live performances just for you.
Catch all the hotness tonight at 8.
In Teen Nick.
You hoe and you rake. You shovel and you ache. And for what? Flowers that might not bloom? For
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Pulaski County in central Arkansas, extreme western Lonoke County in central Arkansas, until 3:23 a.m. Saturday. At 8:17 p.m., law enforcement and the National Weather Service in the warned area have reported extreme thunderstorms along with catastrophic flash flooding capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds exceeding up to 85 miles per hour throughout the Little Rock City area. These storms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Lonoke, moving southwest at 65 miles per hour. In addition, radar estimates that an unbelievable 30 to 45 inches of rain have already fallen in the warned areas, and is expected to continue throughout the night. This dangerous storm has produced the most historic and unbelievable thunderstorms never seen before, and will cause major to extreme destruction across the warned areas. Entire neighborhoods in Pulaski and Lonoke counties, including 65% of Little Rock, have been left without power due to this catastrophic thunderstorm. This line of catastrophic thunderstorms may produce short-lived tornadoes with little or no advance warning. Be prepared to seek shelter should a tornado be observed. A tornado warning will have issued for your area. Locations in the warned area that are heavily impacted include Little Rock, Scott, Shannon Hills, Jacksonville, Sherwood, Crystal Hill, McAlmont, College Station, and Sweet Home. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Do not drive your vehicle into where water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in the path of these thunderstorms, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows.
Let's get you caught up on all the Friend of Foe action so far. My team Plankton won the first challenge, the Foe Down Fashion Show. Our headbands are so awesome. We also won the second challenge, the dance-off. Plankton's got moves that'll knock your socks off.
Before you get all proud, my team Crabs took the scavenger hunt, and we're getting stronger by the minute. Just you wait.
1, 2, 3, grab!
This year, I'm gonna do it. I will change my life.